participant from the hospital and NJP participating NGO. First, I would like to introduce myself, my team. I am Pradeep Srivastava, DGM and CFO, HITPA. Mr. Subhashish Mohapatra, he is Senior Vice President, and Madam Malka Singhal, she is Chief Manager. Our institution, HITPA, we are mainly dealing with the settlement of health claims. We have been founded by 4 PSU companies, that is Oriental Insurance, United, New India, and National Insurance. So here the topic is environment, and I would say directly or indirectly, since we are dealing with health, we also fall into environment. This is first year of CSR activity of HITPA, but since I was posted in Oriental Insurance Company 7-8 years back, so 7-8 years back also I did some CSR activities, and I have been to some other places, I have met so many persons, and I have seen the activity done by the NGOs. And since then, I have got certain photos of people, activities which I participated in my chamber also. So when some of the people who come to meet me, they tell me, sir, ye kaun hai? One of the photo is lying there of Satyarthi ji, Bachpan Bachao Andolan. So I have been attached with that also. So from that day, I don't know how this, I would say the passion of getting involved with the CSR of environment, or whether it is related to the child abuse and whatever, so many activities are there. So these are bad habits, I would say. I have not been able to get out of it, and again I have got a chance through my organization to again be active participant. Besides this, air purifier, Madam Namita Agrawal has already said that we are also participating in 2 more composter coming up, I think in a few days time from now. One is coming up in Govind Singh Hospital, and second one is Deepchand Hospital. Both are government hospital. Besides that, we are also sponsoring we have sponsored one vehicle for cancer patient in Mumbai. That is also the Cancer Station, very big organization dealing with this detection and prevention and treatment of cancer. Plus we have also given some fund for the screening of the cancer patient in Mumbai. So by this, and there and one more project we have done is Asim Library. That is actually to take care of the I would say the small children or the people who are in the habit of, whether it is way of reading or whether it is way of picking up this computer or laptop skills, but they don't have the facilities. So one lady is I don't recall her name. So she has devoted her all fund and all her life for this Asim Library, and we have also took part in that, and we have now funding that, and again I think it's going to be inaugurated in a day or 2. So by this, so much of I think has been said about the environment. All those things are there, and the government, whether it's the state government, central government, they are doing their lot. Whether it is Ganga project or ocean water, so many things are coming. I think nowadays, earlier there was need of telling the people what is going on in the world or in a sector. Now just by click of mouse, anybody can anytime can see what is happening around. Nothing to say about that. There are 1 or 2 things which I have just noted by sitting here. As per WHO reading, 99% of population is staying in the places where the air quality is much more than the quality prescribed by the WHO. And if we put those parameters in the developing countries like India, I think it would come to 100%. It means almost 100% of us are staying in the area where the air quality is, I would say it's worse than the WHO standards. So lot is desired to be done. I think this is a very small token as a part of the CSR activities we are funding. and 2 composters, and there are many more things. Again, this new financial year is starting, and once we have come here, we have seen this, how well the hospital is maintained, because again, courtesy of Kejriwal ji and all the staff members, the people who are contributing in keeping good care, hospital staff. Hospital staff is definitely, in case whatever because we have seen what central government, our Prime Minister Modi ji is talking about, all girl child with his involvement, so many things are there. But until unless all the people who are there at the ground level, in case they are not participating, I think effectiveness of each and every project will go down. Is my way of looking at it. Whether it is cleaning of roads, whether it is cleaning of air, cleaning of environment, to take anything. Because everybody we see, like what I was come to know about this bottle. But if you see, whether you walk in any train, any flight, anywhere, you see hundreds, lakhs of bottles are thrown here, there, nobody cares. So in that, I think the government, and definitely now again we look at the court, then government definitely have their own compulsions of not putting a ban. If you talk to me, I will say ki why even the manufacturing should be banned. The small panni in which sometime I think the ward boy or something would be carrying the tea from outside. If you see a hot content coming through that panni, it's double harmful. Because that panni is costing maybe 1 paisa or 2 paisa maybe. It's very cheap, that's why it is carried in that. We know all the effects, how harmful it is, but still we can't stop it. So if you see from that perspective, the moment we stop the manufacturing and the storage, the thing will stop then and there only. Otherwise, we are trying to do our bit, and we are very thankful to the hospital people. Madam is there, MS could not come here, I think is busy in somewhere. Because in the morning also there was some meeting with the government official and ministers were here. So definitely there are so many activities going on. And we are happy to be here, and we have seen the well-managed hospital by the government, because normally being...
Perception is different.
Yes, perception is different, and because since we are dealing with the hospital, we are settling the claim of all hospitals all over India. So most of the time we are participating or we are interacting with the private hospital, whether it is Fortis, Max, any chain of hospital all over India. So the perception definitely after coming of this AAP government, it has changed. We are hearing a lot. When the people come after the treatment for the settlement of bills and all this, they talk very good things. So it's not that what we had a picture 20 years back, that is gone now. And the way the people have maintained it, that's also good.
So we can clap for the team.
Yes. The credit, I tell you, start from the participants. Government or the people at top, whatever they may say, until unless people at the bottom level, at the ground level. जैसे what we hear, जब वो फ्रंट पे लोग जाते थे ना, तो people used to say कि साहब कर्नल साहब ये बोल रहे हैं पीछे से, कहते हैं उसको छोड़ो, गोली मैंने चलानी है, चला तो देखी जाएंगे. This is what happens. This is also what we are doing. Whatever instructions we are getting from top, we try to use our senses also, no? It's not that whatever has come we just apply toto. No. We also see what is good and then we take a balanced decision. So I am thankful to hospital people, NJP, and we are very lucky and we are very fortunate, I would say, to get attached in the activity like this. And we will come back again next year with something else. And I can assure you, my boss from the EIL, next year if I will come with something, I will see that it should not have any pitfalls. It's only plus only. Thank you all.